Hi team, this is Mr. Thompson here. Firstly, I'd like to thank you for your responses so far and the work that you've completed. Myself and Mr. Kennedy are really chuffed with some of the responses, and I just want to reiterate how important it is that you continue to hand in this work and you continue to work really hard. This is going to stand you in really good stead for when you come back to school after the summer term. Okay team, so what are the three main aims of today's lesson? The first one is we're going to try and identify the three sub-factors within the physical factor. If you can recall these, this will stand you in really good stead for the coming year. Okay. The second one is we're going to try and identify some of the factors within the physical factor that might impact on your performance. So there's quite a few, so you are going to need to take a few notes today. And the last one is we're going to try and discuss how a factor can positively or negatively impact your performance. So with every factor we discuss, you should be able to give an example of how that can positively or negatively impact your performance. So the first sub-factor we're going to look at today within the physical factor is physical fitness. So again, we're thinking about how these things can impact on our performance, either positively or negatively. The three you've got up on the screen there are speed, CRE, and strength. But others that might come into play here are things like stamina and your core strength, for example. So speed is your ability to move quickly as possible. CRE, which stands for cardiorespiratory endurance, applies to your body's ability to pump oxygenated blood around the body to your muscles that will allow you to work for an extended period of time or over a long period of time. Strength is your ability to apply maximal force against resistance. Okay, so now you might notice that under each of the sub-factors or under each of the factors, I've given you a wee example of how you might use different aspects of physical fitness to positively benefit your performance. Now, what I'd like you to do here is, I would like you to pick one of these sub-factors, so either speed, CRE, or strength, and I would like you to note below, just note below this question, exactly how you might use one of those in your chosen activity. So think back to last week to your chosen activities that you wrote down from Mr. Kennedy and think about how might you use one of those factors to positively impact your performance in that chosen activity.